In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize images on Wix 2026 guide. We'll walk through the exact tools inside the Wix editor so your images look sharp, consistent, and aligned with your design. First, open your Wix site editor and head to the media section on the left. Think of this as your personal photo library. Everything you've uploaded and everything you can add lives here. Keeping assets organized here will save you time, especially if you reuse graphics across multiple pages. Next, choose the image you want on your page. If it isn't in the gallery yet, click Upload and drop in your file. Once you see it in the gallery, click Add to Page. Wix places the image onto your current layout so you can position and resize it. At this point, it helps to zoom in to 100% view so you're judging size accurately. To resize manually, click the image to reveal the small white handles. Drag a corner handle to scale up or down while keeping the original proportions intact. This is the safest way to avoid distortion and preserve quality. If you drag the side, top, or bottom handles, you're changing only one dimension. That can be useful for matching a specific space, but be cautious. Pushing it too far can stretch or squish the photo and make it look unprofessional. If the image starts to blur when enlarged, it likely means the source file isn't high resolution enough for that size. For how the image behaves inside its frame, click the gear-shaped settings icon near the image. In display mode, choose Fit to Bounding Box to keep the entire image visible. You may see some empty space around it, which is expected. Choose Fill Bounding Box to make the image cover the entire frame. Parts may be cropped and it might stretch if the ratios are very different. Pick Keep Image Ratio to lock proportions and prevent any unwanted stretching while you adjust the frame. When you need pixel perfect consistency, like matching a hero banner or aligning a grid, use the inspector pane on the right. Here you can type exact width and height values in pixels. Entering precise numbers keeps spacing uniform across your site and makes future updates more predictable. That's it. You now know how to resize images in Wix with confidence. Add from your media, scale with handles, control display mode, and fine-tune with exact dimensions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.